Hello and welcome to this class. Now in this class we'll be talking about remainder theorem. Right. We're talking about remainder theorem. It has to do with polynomial. So right now in this question, this is question number 31 of our UTME. This question says that if 2x squared plus x minus 3 divides x minus 2, find the remainder. It's actually very simple. Now, what should you do? Solution. Now, before you solve this, remember the remainder theorem. Now, the remainder theorem says that remainder, if you are told to find remainder, remainder is equal to f of 2 in this question. Now, how did I get this 2? It is from this, the denominator. What this is being divided by? So this is being divided by x minus 2, right? So since x is equal to x minus 2 is equal to 0, if you make x the subject of formula here, to the x equal to 2. So that is where we found it. So x is equal to 2. You can see that the remainder theorem is equal to f of 2. Now, where f of x is equal to this, right? F of x is equal to 2x squared plus x minus 3. Now, this is in respect of this very one here. This is in respect of this. That means wherever you see x in this place, you impute 2. Are you following? Wherever you see x here, you impute 2 to find the remainder. Remember that remainder is equal to this, right? See, then this now, f of x, f of 2 will be equal to, this is 2, I'll put 2. Instead of putting x, I'll then put another 2 here. Then this square plus, this is 2, I'll put 2 minus 3, right? And let's move forward. Now, 2 square is 4, right? So this is equal to 2 square is what? 2 times 2, which is 4. Within bracket 4 plus 2 minus 3. 4 times 2 will give me 8. Times 2 is 8 plus 2 minus 3. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 minus 3 is what? 7. So this is equal to 7. As you can see that this is very simple math. It's a very simple math and it's very interesting. So this shouldn't be a problem to you anytime you see this kind of question. Just follow this procedure and you will arrive at your answer. I believe you enjoyed the class. Please give us a like and make sure you follow us. Thank you.
Subscribe for more of this kind of content. Thank you.